Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create and how to add Facebook Pixel to Shopify as a complete beginner in 2023. As you can see, I have my Facebook open up and I also have my Shopify open up. The first thing you're going to need to do is create a Facebook business page, and you can do that quite easily by going over to the left hand menu option, and you're going to select See All right below Gaming. Then you're going to tap on Page. After selecting Page, you will be redirected to this page, and you're going to enter the page name, and you can also add the category. For example, if you are selling clothing, you could type in clothing store. You can type in whatever you want right there. And you're also going to add a bio if you want. It's optional. And you can add a Facebook profile pic right there. After you have done that, you will close out of this. And what I want you to do is go over to the top right hand corner where you see your profile pic. Then you're going to see the new page that you have created, and you're going to tap on Switch Page. After you have switched page, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you're going to tap right where you see Meta Business Suite right here. You're going to tap on that from the left hand menu option. And once on this page, what I want you to do is scroll down, and you're going to see the option right where you see, let me scroll down real quick. You're going to see right here, unlock more features with a Meta business account. You're going to tap on this, and you're going to create a business account. It's quite easy to do. All you have to do is enter, for example, your Shopify page name, and you can enter your first and last name and your business email, then tap on create. After you have created that page, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see football page right below Meta Business Suite, the top left hand corner, you're going to tap on that. Then you're going to see the business account that you had created, for example, Simple Answers, and you're going to tap on the settings cog right beside the name. After tapping on the settings cog, you will be redirected to this page. And once on this page, I want you to stay on the left hand menu option. So you're going to stay on the left hand menu option. So let me go back. Let me go back 1 second, as I want to stay on the left hand menu option. So tap on this right here. You're going to tap on settings beside the page that you have created. Once on this page, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option, as you can see right here, and you're going to select business settings. Once in business settings, as you can see, a new page is loading up. Just give it a few seconds to load up. Enter the left hand menu option, and you're going to scroll down to where you see data sources. You're going to tap on that. Then you will see pixels. You're going to tap on pixels, and from here you'll see Simple Answers doesn't have any pixels yet, and we're going to tap on add. After tapping on add, you will see pixel name. You can add the pixel name if you want. Then check your website for easy setup options. So for example, I will go into Shopify and I'll copy the domain name. Then I'm going to go back into Facebook and I'm going to paste the URL right here. And after I've pasted the URL, I'm going to tap on continue and give it a few seconds. And you can see it right here. Continue managing my business pixel, set up pixel now, and I'm going to tap on set up pixel now. Then you can see add code using partner integration, and you can see example, connect your site using one of their many partners including Squarespace, WordPress, and Shopify. But as a beginner, I would recommend that you select the first option and then give it a few seconds. Then from here, we want to scroll down until we see the Shopify icon. We're going to tap on Shopify. Then you will see connect to Shopify store. verify connection, then confirmation. Connect your Shopify account to Facebook, log into Shopify account and follow the instructions to set up your connection with Facebook. And I'll tap on right here. Then I'll tap on next. And you can see verify your pixel is working correctly. So all I will have to do now is enter my URL again. Verify your pixel is working correctly. So the first thing you want to do is go onto Shopify. Once on Shopify, you are going to go over to the left hand menu option and you are going to select apps. After selecting apps, I want you to type in Facebook in the search bar and tap on enter. After entering Facebook right here, you will be redirected to the App Store. And once on the App Store, I want you to select Facebook and Instagram. You're going to tap on Add App. After you have added sales channel, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you're going to tap on Start Setup. Then you're going to tap on Connect Account. And you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And once you have found your account, you'll tap on Continue. And you'll see here, confirm your Facebook account to continue setting up. After tapping on Connect Account, you'll see confirm your Facebook account to continue setting up your shop. And you'll tap on Confirm. Then you'll see right there, you're going to tap on Allow. Here you're going to scroll down and you can select the page that you would like to use. So for this example, I'll tap on this page right here, Connect. Then I'll select Connect right here. After you have done that, you will see the business account that you have created. The Facebook page you selected is not connected to Meta Business account. Select an existing business account and you can tap on the one that you had created. Then you'll tap on Continue. And you'll see right here, directly pay on Facebook. Then you'll see data sharing. Manage your Facebook and Instagram data sharing preferences. Shopify will keep your settings up to date with the most appropriate and effective ad technologies. And from here you can scroll down and you can see enhance and you can see the features. And if you were to select maximum, you can also see the features right there as you can read more about it. So customer activity data is shared using the Facebook pixel and advanced matching. And you can also see this option will use the Facebook pixel also. And you can also select conservative if you want. But for this example, I'll leave it on enhance and I'll tap on save. After doing that, you will see our pixel automatically loaded right here. And we're going to tap on connect. Then from here, we'll select I agree. Then you're going to tap on submit for review. And you'll see this may take up to a minute. Please do not refresh. Then you'll tap on done. To start selling on Facebook and Instagram, we need to verify some information about your shop. Once you're verified, your shop will be published within 24 hours. And from here, you can start the verification process right there. But before doing that, you can quickly go back over to Facebook. And from here, you could paste in your URL. So let's do that. We're going to copy our URL. And we're going to go back. And we're going to paste it right here. Then we're going to tap on send test traffic. And you can see that it automatically opens up our Shopify store. Then we are going to go back right here and you'll see active and you'll tap on next. And you can see right here, setup complete, verify your events in Events Manager. And you'll simply tap on finish and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.